Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Excel Sessions, and today we will learn how to use VLOOKUP function in VBA. As we already know, VLOOKUP function is used to search a value in the specified range or table and returns the corresponding value from another column in the same range. VLOOKUP function takes four parameters and the same has been used in VBA. Now in this example, we have list of ID, names and city. In cell H2, we want to show the corresponding name of ID entered in cell H1 through VBA. So in module, for first and second parameter of VLOOKUP function, declare two variables, dim lookup well as integer because the lookup value is id, which is an integer value. Table range as range because in second parameter we have to specify the range. To store output of VLOOKUP, declare a variable my name as string. The lookup value is in cell H1, so type lookup underscore well will be the table range is A1 to cell C11, type set table range equals to VLOOKUP function is not available in VBA, hence we have to use application.VLOOKUP or application.worksheet function.VLOOKUP. Type my name equals to application.VLOOKUP, open bracket, the first parameter is lookup value, so specify lookup well variable. Second parameter is the range. Third parameter specify 2 because name is available in the second column. Fourth parameter is 0, closing bracket and press enter. To show the output in cell H2, type sheets sheet 1 dot range H2 equals to my name. Now go to Excel sheet. The macro is already attached with the button show data. Enter any ID and click show data button. H2 cell is showing the corresponding name of ID5. Now, instead of application.vlookup, you can use application.worksheet function.vlookup. So comment this line, copy, paste, and write application.worksheet function.vlookup. Again, go to Excel, change any ID, click button, and the corresponding name will appear in cell H2. So in both the cases, the result is same. VLOOKUP function generates hash any error if the lookup value or ID is not available in the given table. So if I enter 13, press enter, and the VLOOKUP function will generate hash any error. Now both application.vlookup and application.worksheet function.vlookup throw error if ID is not found in the given range. So when we are using application.worksheet function.vlookup, enter any ID which is not available, click show data button, and it will throw runtime error 1004. Now if I use application.vlookup, Now go to Excel, click on show data button again. It will throw runtime error 13, type mismatch error. So to handle the runtime error, we will use on error go to statement. So in VBA, before VLOOKUP function, type on error go to specify label, and in the end of the macro type exit sub, specify the label not found colon, we will specify ID not found. Now go to Excel sheet. The ID is not available in the given range. Click on show data button. This time H2 cell will show ID not found. If the date ID is available, it will show the corresponding name. Similarly, comment this line, and if we use application.worksheet function.vlookup, if the ID is available, it will show the name. If the ID is not available, H2 cell will show ID not found. So in this way, you can use VLOOKUP function in Excel VBA. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notifications for new videos. Thanks for watching.